G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. It's Christmas here at howtoplaythesax.com, where we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome and repeating the whole process. And speaking of Christmas here at howtoplaythesax.com, it's Christmas somewhere in the world. I'm sure it is, because it certainly is here. But what we're going to do in this lesson, we're going to do a soft, slow Christmas carol called Silent Night. Silent Night is a really nice song. I like it. It's one of my favourites. But Silent Night is a really good song to sing. As a result, what we are going to do is we're going to sing it with our saxophones. Silent Night, singing with our saxophones, rather than playing on our saxophones. Subtle difference, I know, but I've said it before and I'll say it again. If you can hear it in your head, if you can sing it in your head, you can play it. So, Silent Night, Christmas carol, singing it on our saxophones. Let's go. Let's go. Silent Night. How does it go? I hear you cry. Just have a listen. Just have a listen. This is what we're going to do in this lesson. Here we go. You know that song, you know that song. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning. Silent Night. Just a hint, again, we're going to sing it, not play it. So think singing. The saxophone is very expressive. Sing rather than play. But the notes. Those notes again. C sharp, E flat with the register key and the pinky, C sharp, B flat. And we do that twice. Let's do that together. Let's do that twice. So here we go. 1, 2. You know the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Cool. Moving on. Moving on. So those notes. G sharp with the pinky, G sharp and the register key, G sharp, F, F sharp, C sharp. Yeah? Let's try that a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, ha. Awesome. This is good. This is good. It's Christmas. Christmas is coming somewhere in the world. I'm sure it is. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Have a listen to the next line. Yeah? One more listen. So those notes, all with the register key, all with the octave key. E flat, F sharp, F, E flat. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Then the next little line, la, 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 like what we did right at the start. C sharp, E flat with the register key, C sharp, B flat, la, 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 la. Yeah, let's just do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put those two little bits we've just done there together. La, 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 la. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. This is good. We're in the home stretch. In the home stretch. Here we go. Just have a listen. Yeah? G sharp. This is All with the register key again. That's hard to say. Christmas, too much Christmas pudding. We all love Christmas pudding. Or is it figgy pudding? Who knows? We all love Christmas pudding. It's hard to say. Concentrate, Matthew. It's the t-shirt. I'm wearing the t-shirt again. That's what is doing it for me. Ho, ho, ho. Putting on my Santa kind of vibe. Concentrate, Matthew. Concentrate. Come on. Here we go. G sharp, G sharp, B, G sharp, F, F sharp, B flat. Let's play it together. All with the register key. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. All right. Last line, last line. Just have a listen. So those notes. F sharp with the octave key, F sharp down to a C sharp without the octave key, B flat, C sharp, B, G sharp, F sharp. Yeah? Let's play it a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome, fantastic, Silent Night. Are you up for playing along with the backing track I've found? There's a link below. Download the cheat sheet. I've said it before, say it again. Download the cheat sheet, play along with the backing track here, or there's a link below to the YouTube version as well. So let's get into it. Let's play Silent Night. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Press play there. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. That'll do. That was good. I played around with the melody just a little bit because, again, I was trying to sing. I was trying to sing it with my saxophone. But again, that's me. Please, you do you. Add some notes, subtract some notes like I did right at the end there. Right at the end again, also, it does that la, 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 la. It plays it twice right at the end. But again, you'll work it out. It's good. Have fun. Play saxophone. Be awesome. Merry Christmas. And repeat. My name is Matthew. Thank you. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. If you've got a t-shirt, suitable Christmas t-shirt like I do, please, I encourage you to wear it. Thank you. I will see you in another lesson inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com. It might be Christmas again, it might not, who knows, but I'll see you next time at howtoplaythesax.com. Thank you. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas once again. Ho, 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 ho. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between. Thanks heap for joining me in this free saxophone lesson. Please, just want to remind you, if you are looking for the full lesson, we've left a little bit out of this lesson you've just done. If you're looking for the full lesson, please become a member at howtoplaythesax.com and I'll see you inside the members area for this full lesson and many, many, many others. I'll see you at howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew. Thank you. I'll see you in another lesson.